Beyond its beautiful alpine lakes and wildlife, Banff National Park is also famous for its town. With world-class restaurants, gift shops, and streets surrounded by epic mountains, this is a place you definitely won't want to miss.
In today's video, we are going to do part 2 of our 3-part Canadian Rockies and Banff series. In part 1, we visited Moraine Lake and Lake Louise and navigated the local shuttle system to figure out how to do it. If you missed that video, you can watch it right here.
Today, we are excited to celebrate my best friend Jordan by exploring Johnston Canyon and balling out on a fancy fondue dinner. Once we were all up, it was time for breakfast and presents.
Birthday boy. Nina stole my shoes when she got up, so I had to steal Jordan's clogs. And we've started a shoe stealing frenzy. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm sorry I stole your boots. They just look so warm and cozy.
Oh. Ooh, good call, Maris.
Oh, not quite melted, maybe.
Don't shake it too hard. Just give it a little bit of time. Smells delicious. Scrumptious. Oh. What's in there, dude? More birthday tats?
Forgot about that. I will be using this. This is, yes. This is what I was looking for.
There you go. Well done.
I'm warming up.
On the drive towards town, we wanted to stop and check out Johnston Canyon.
My phone is all over me. Just love them in person.
We just showed up at Johnston Canyon. We are just gonna do a short little lower falls hike. Just wanna get a peek of what this place is all about.
So excited.
We loved the walkway along the cliffside. The falls were cool, but a lot of other people thought so too.
Thoughts on Johnston Canyon?
It's hard to see the waterfall over the line of people.
Time to head back?
Yeah.
Coffee time. So I asked someone that was coming out, like, was it worth it? Was it cool? And they're like, yeah, it's a cool photo. Not worth waiting 30 minutes for. There will be other waterfalls and there will be other waterfall photos. I hope everyone that waited in that line loves their photo though.
The next stop was a park just outside of town. With mountains like these, we couldn't help but find a pull-off from the highway. This, paired with some extra time before our dinner reservation, led to one of our best decisions of the trip.
Are those hand binoculars?
We just arrived in the town of Banff and made a little picnic spot here at the Cascade Ponds. These are just a few minutes north of the town of Banff. There's grass space, there's these beautiful ponds, views of the peaks. I think our plan is just to make some lunch, hang out here. The boys want a cold plunge and take in the views for a few hours. Your first look.
We're about to jump this little park bridge. Even had the park rangers come up and asked them, and they're like, yep, just your own risk.
This is a stunning swim shot.
Some good tasting water.
Birthday cold plunge. Oh, good fall. Nailing it.
Oh, good form. I feel like you're gonna hit the edge. I don't think it'll skip high enough. Make sure to read those directions. We cannot afford to mess this up.
We won't. I even have scissors. Cut them. Yep.
How do you have scissors?
My sewing bag.
I'm thinking one of these two, honestly.
Maris has not ceased to amaze me.
This one's probably the biggest, but this one's like got the most riz.
17-year-old tattoo.
It hurts.
Oh,
Wow. It's everything.
Holy crap.
boy.
That one's sick.
That's awesome.
Can you show me where you got your Jordan tattoo?
Between the cold plunge, picnic, and tattoos, so many memories were made at the park, but Jordan's birthday was just getting started.
We just finished up at the beautiful park. We're about to hop in the car and drive over to Banff Avenue to get dinner and walk around all the shops and see the views. So happy to be here right now. This is like something Jay and I never do on trips because Jay doesn't like to go to towns and shop around or eat out dinner. But when Jordan and Maris join us, we do it, and I just love that. There's this kind of iconic photo of Banff Avenue with the big mountain in the back. I thought we might have trouble finding it, but we parked for free at the train station. And if you walk over to the main Banff Avenue from there, where it lets you out, right here with the awesome view of the street and the mountain. And there's only bikes and public buses allowed on the street, no personal vehicles. So it's pretty easy to get into the street and take a photo.
Tonight we made some reservations to eat at Grizzly House Banff. We chose to eat here for his 4-course fondue dinner to do something special and memorable.
Oh, you gotta try harder than that, dude. Come on.
After dinner, we continued exploring the shops in search of some good souvenirs.
Would I say this is my thing? Not necessarily. Am I considering my third one? Yes.
No, lay down on the ground.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't want to be weird, but here we are.
This is test 2.
Like, Jay, just give us a feel.
Yeah, he's ready for business.
There's no other pills in the market from your exposure that are meant for business like you.
Well, I'm now looking for a magnet.
Oh, wow, you've pivoted. Oh.
Well, since we had such success at the tea hut yesterday, I am going to try this maple tea. It's not the same brand, but I have high hopes.
Okay.
I'm so excited to try it.
Late night bathroom run. Oh man, he's clenching so hard. Do you have a message to all the other IBS people out there?
You're not alone. You can still travel. Suck it up, Buttercup, and admit when you have diarrhea to your friends.
Leave your
Left my mark.
Too bad our fondue dinner took how long, Nina?
3 hours.
What time is it?
It's way past my bedtime. They said they were closing at 9:15. Oh yeah, that's it.
Oh, you see it in the window? Oh man.
But once the shop started closing, we decided to turn in for the night.
You're so tired.
Give me that crap. It's my birthday. Show some respect.
Anything you want.
Tomorrow our plan is to drive the famous Icefields Parkway, which is ranked amongst the most beautiful drives in the world before wrapping up our time here in Canada. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons and catch us next time in part 3 of our Canadian Rockies series for another best day ever.